Wait, that's how I got in. I'm not doing very well. Good morning, I'm home. Omelet time. Out the shower. Now I'm gonna do this hair. No. All right, doing my hair. See you in a bit. We're going to the fair, and I'm only taking the GoPro. We're leaving.
Hi. Have you ever been sitting in your chair and then and really airy?
Hello.
Oh, are you making it more intense?
It's not even changing. Is it changing?
It's changing.
So good. You like yours? Here goes Ariel. She's coming down the slide. Tori by a toe. All right, so Ariel wants to ride this ride. Can you see what's happening over here? Ariel, is this the ride you want to ride?
Yeah.
Oh, we're on it. Are you scared?
Hang on tight.
Is my thing spinning? She found another one. You want to sit in the front? Okay. We're gonna bet on some horses. We're not really gonna bet on some horses, but we're gonna watch them race. Wait, that's how I got in. Oh gosh. I'm not doing very well. Hi! I can't. How'd you get there? Wait for me. Wait. Oh, there you are. Oh, that was hard. It was hard. Oh, they're babies. They're so cute. Time to eat. Is it good? Ariel, are you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Hi. Was it scary? Lies.
No, it wasn't.
There's a petting zoo here. This one's in my way. I can't move. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, hi, Mr. Hi, Bambi.